for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes, the BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, ABS 4-wheel, front floor mat, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, rear defrost, electronic stability control, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.